All right, for this very modern home, we also want to keep the cabinets very modern. So there's no crown mold, no light rail, no extra fancy moldings in the doors. Everything's a flat panel door. But what's cool about it is the grain runs horizontal, so that runs on a plane like this. So you can see the grain runs all the way through the whole kitchen, base cabinets and then upper cabinets too. So everything runs horizontal, which just gives a really cool, neat, fine line of work. We didn't want all the stainless steel in this kitchen. We just wanted to eliminate a little bit. So what we ended up doing is putting our wood material on the refrigerators, the doors, and also the dishwasher down here. We just thought that was a little extra clean look. Just keep it all looking more like the horizontal grain wood. We also put some pull-outs on the other side of the stove, which will be handy for any spices, cooking, pots, pans, whatever you end up doing and sticking these are going to be handy because you're going to be able to access everything in these drawers. Upper cabinets, not very fancy at all, but it's plenty of them to be able to store your cups, your plates, anything you want to end up storing. In upper cabinets, there's plenty of room. So when you're designing a kitchen, you want to make sure that you have plenty of space for all your stuff that you're going to end up doing. Your pots and pans, your cooking, your supplies to cook, your silverware, everything else that you have. Just, you want to make sure you have that. So this kitchen has all those great features in it. So why don't you watch on me get all these cabinets on these walls and see how it's done. Thanks for watching the kitchen install. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.